All right, so in my previous video, we looked at how to find volume of a cone, okay? So we did that, we found the volume of a cone, and in this video, our main interest will be to find the volume of the frustum. So how do we basically find the volume of a frustum? I'll try by all means to show you something that is very simple to understand in order for you to find the volume of a frustum. So let's come with me, we check here, we've got this frustum. First, let's understand what does it mean when you talk about frustum. What is a frustum? Of course, a frustum is just either a pyramid or a cone which has been cut. Okay, when you've got something like this, something that has been cut, just know that you're dealing with a frustum. All right, so for our example here, we've got this frustum. They've given us the radius. So how did I know that this is the radius? Because this line is ending somewhere here. Okay, and right there is no statement which is saying this is a radius, so I just have to tell that, okay, since it's half here, this must be my radius, and this also my radius. This is the height of the frustum. Okay, so now let's try to put up the cone the way it was. So look at this. This is a cone, right? A cone. And we're just assuming that this cone, before it was cut, it was looking like this. Before somebody did anything to it, it was looking like this. Okay, so now here it has now been cut somewhere here. Okay, this is the part which has been cut somewhere here, and of course we know that the radius here is 8 centimeters, isn't it? And here is 2 centimeters. This 2 centimeters. The radius here is 2 centimeters. The height, we know that, okay, the height here is 6 centimeters. This 6 centimeters, you see? Now, this part which has not been cut, we don't know it. So we say this is X. That's what we just say. We say, okay, the part which is cut is X. Okay? So now, put it in your mind. You start thinking that, okay, what is the height of this full cone? The cone which is finished up to here before it was cut. What was its height? The height before it was cut, I'll do this. This is just 6 plus x, okay? 6 plus x. We don't know the height which this cone had, okay? So our first step here will be to find the value of x. So how do we find the value of x? All right, so we say x, this x over, you see, the x which is right here, it's for the part which has been cut, over the point at which this cone has been cut, which is a 2, is equal to, now we get the height of the cone before it was cut, which is 6 plus x, over the radius of the cone before, or the entire cone, okay, which is 8. Okay, so in other words, I'll say you must be getting the x which is here over where it has been cut, right here, and the height, okay, this height of the full cone over the radius which is right here. So you cross multiply x by 8, it's equal to 8x, which is equal to 2 by 6 is 12, 2 by x is 2x. This, what I've just done here is cross multiplication. So after that, we group the like terms. We have 2x, okay, this 2x becoming negative 2x is equal to 12. We work out things here, 8 minus, or 8x minus 2x, we're getting a what? We're getting a 6x is equal to 12. Solving for x, we divide by 6. Of which our answer here will just be a 2. Okay, so that's our answer. Okay, so now we've figured out that, okay, the x, or the value of x here is 2 centimeters. So meaning here, if we put 2, we'll find that the height of the cone was 80 centimeters. Okay, all right. Now, the question says find the volume. We're trying to find the volume. So how are we going to find the volume? So now to find the volume, we need to use the formula for finding volume of a cone because we're dealing with a cone, okay? And if you have not watched my previous video on mensuration, just search. So we'll just use the formula for finding volume, which is right here. This is the formula pi r squared h. This is the formula that we are going to use. So now our height here, let me do this so that we understand what's going on. Our height is 8 centimeters. And here where x is 2 centimeters. The height of what has been cut is 2 centimeters. So these are the most important things that we need. So we'll say volume 1. The volume 1 will be the volume of the entire cone, this cone, okay? The entire cone. So we say, okay, the volume of the bigger cone will be equal to 1 over 3 times pi, we use 3.142 times the radius of the bigger cone is 8 squared, 8, so which is 8 squared, times the height of the bigger cone is 8. So now we get our calculator nicely, punch 1 times 3.142 times 8 squared times 8. What are we getting? Okay, let me see what we're getting right here. Okay, so we're getting 1000. So the volume is equal to 1608.704. Hopefully you're getting the same answer. Don't forget these 3. You see the 3 which is below here, the denominator, put it. So you say over 3. Punch on your calculator, divide by 3. So our volume, or the volume of the bigger cone from here to here is 536.23 centimeter cubed. Okay, I've put my answer in two decimal places. Okay, so I'm done with volume 1. I found the volume 1. This is not my answer. So the next thing that I'm going to do, let me do this, will be now to find the volume of the small cone, this cone, the part which has been cut. So we use the same formula. We'll call this as volume 2. The same formula is working right here. So we have this times 3.142 times the radius here is 2 squared. There we'll put squared because it's 2 centimeters, and times the height. The height of the cone, the part that has been cut, is 2. So we work out things there. So say 1 times 3.142 times 2 squared times 2. These 2. What am I getting? I'm getting a 25.136. You divide by 3, this 3. Our volume here is 8.38 centimeters. I've put in 2 significant figures, okay, cubed. So now my final volume here, my answer will be, get the volume 1, bigger volume of the bigger cone, minus the volume of a smaller cone, which is right here. So it will be 5, okay, 36.23 minus, I've just gotten this, minus 8.38, okay? So what answer are we getting? 536.23 minus 8.38, which is equal to, so our answer is right here, 527.85 centimeter cubed. This is our answer. Thank you so much to everybody that has been following me on my YouTube channel, watching my videos and commenting. To those who don't know that I have a Facebook page, please do so. Follow me on my Facebook page, which is Jacob Sichamba Online Math. The same name that you're able to see on YouTube is right there on my Facebook page. Bye-bye.